Bumbo, yeah, that's a while ago, dog. You are not the guy, brother. You are not even the guy. You're going shop for the guy that's standing next to the guy. Bumbo clad. You hear that? Yeah, eh? You are the guy standing. No, you are the guy going to shop for the guy that is standing next to the guy. Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with some god in the UK scene. Some god from back then and still a god now. We got the G them, we got the thugs them. This one we have P Money, we have Silencer, we have Chip, the G. We have 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, the original OGGG, and Dizzee Rascal, the GGG, with the one named Stuttering. See what I did there? You see what I did there? Stut. She made me stammer. Alright. So, we're going to jump into the one here and say what the G them say. So, let's get it. Never hear it before. First time hearing it. Chip, big up yourself, my G. You know you're my G already. Alright, let's go. This one's about to be fire. I just know it. Listen to the beat.
Black taxi mode when I'm pissed off, heads getting picked up and ripped off. Well, up front from my team when they lick shots, I'm right there in the center when it kicks off. Snake eater when I'm tipped off, chilling with sudden little gear, I'm big boss full of. Taxi mode when I'm pissed off, heads getting picked up and ripped off. Well, up front from my team when they lick shots, I'm right there in the center when it kicks off. Snake eater when I'm tipped off, chilling with sudden little gear, I'm big boss, full up in the spot. That's 4 man drilling plus a witness describing an F1 pit stop.
You heard the witness describe?
My team when they lick shots, I'm right there in the center when it kicks off. Snake eater when I'm tipped off, chilling with sudden little gear, I'm big boss, full up in the spot. That's 4 man drilling plus a witness describing an F1 pit stop. I don't wanna hear your shit songs, your baby food, your shit's off. This is not a rap. Run a man down to my hip hops, forget getting reloads. I pushed it into the clip lock, man. Stop. Them G I show you. Them G I show the new school I youth them how it go. How it do. Cause not being one side or anything, but some of these new schools you don't know what the fuck them a do, dog. Don't know what them a say, brother. Them money have clarity. Them money dip on the beat. Them money have breath control. Them money have stage presence. Them money have the experience. Yo, some of them young acts and need to look up to some of these guys and actually do the do, brother. Like do the do. Cause these mans here, bro. Them money, dog. I've been there and I've seen man get ticked off. Yes. They had my lips locked, trying to hit the target. Things got messy and I chipped the wall from far. That's a big shot. Talking like you did lots. I've been there and done it all, jewelry and trap yards. The only moves you was doing was a hip toss. I grew a pair and I see man get picked off. Like yo, the J. At the first me I listen to any music you do, me G, but yeah. It's been nuts. I've seen man roasted. Who is this one? This is some P Money or Silencer? Guys, obviously, me know Dizzee Rascal, me know who Chip is, me know who is 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, but Silencer and P Money. Me G, I'm sorry, don't want to get the name wrong, but you don't know. So can somebody in the thing correct me, please? First verse on this is fire, dog. Like. I know animals from the Amazon. One transaction, get your box up and posted. I really been out here, come on, you know this. One transaction, get your box up and posted, brother. One transaction, get your box up and posted. You know what kind of box him attack? You want to box? 6'6", you get posted, dog. Remember that. I know animals from the Amazon. One transaction, get your box up and posted. I really been out here, come on, you know this. Yeah. When we walk in, man's like, look how they're stuttering. Look how they if and but. Wait, the one. Wait.
Me get gas. Anything where DEE say, you know, want to come in. Yeah, the man just different. Listen.
Look how we got them scared. Old school man still hate.
Who that me just say already? Was that Dan and Jamie just say already?
Know who it is when he hear. Look how we.
I don't think so. Could be, I don't know.
Old school man still caving a man now combo and MC up.
24 bar, let me start now.
You think me not gonna pass with my G? Man said 24 bars make you start now. You know a film 24 bars not gonna be normal, brother, though. You know fire there, though. You know trouble there, though. Foot, feet. Let's go.
Who wants smoke got a half ounce? Tell me what you know about killing MCs, boy. You don't know nothing about a man down.
I see dead people. Who wants smoke me a half ounce? Not weed, man attack, brother. Not weed.
Old school man still caving a man now combo and MC up.
24 bar, let me start now. Who wants smoke got a half ounce? Tell me what you know about killing MCs, boy. You don't know nothing about a man down. It's like the youngers don't rate the olders, but the olders don't rate the youngers.
It's a two-sided thing. It's a two-sided thing. I literally just said that. Some of these youngsters need to look up to the olders them. But it's a two-sided thing. Because some of them old experience, we don't even call them no older. The experienced guy them where pave the way don't show the respect also that the younger should get. So it is a two-side thing. It is a two-side thing. You see me? So guys, let me just make the thing nice, man. Unity, man. Unity.
You don't know nothing about a man down. It's like the youngers don't rate the olders, but the olders don't rate the youngers.
When him said that, look on DEE face. Like, what? Brother? No, no. Listen, watch.
You don't know nothing about
Watch. That's DEE.
Don't rate the olders, but the olders don't rate the youngers. So if I ever got to kill a little boy on the mic, tell him age ain't nothing but numbers. Tell me what you know about killing MCs, boy. You don't know nothing about a man down. It's like the youngers don't rate the olders, but the olders don't rate the youngers. So if I ever got to kill a little boy on the mic, tell him age ain't nothing but numbers. And I hate when MCs act like their problems are mine. I handle mine, handle yours, card. You don't want a problem with that. Chip in a problem for time, could end up in a problem for trying. No problem with.
You don't want a problem with I. Chip's been a problem for time, bro. Chip's been a problem, not just since school days. Chip a problem. Chip has been a problem. Chip is still a problem, brother. So if you don't want to talk clash, Chip pen ready. Chip pen full of ink. Chip pen ready. Yo, let's go. Me not call the name of that one, MG. Big up yourself too. Me not call the name of that one.
Handle yours, card. You don't want a problem with that. Chip in a problem for time, could end up in a problem for trying. No problem with rhymes. Oh my God, what's your problem? You are not shooting scams.
Chip is so fucking confident. You the man I tell us it? The man not have no problem with rhyme, brother. Like the man full of more rhyme than citrus fruit, dog. The man's full of rhyme like citrus fruit, brother. Huh? What about clot?
So if I ever got to kill a little boy on the mic, tell him age ain't nothing but numbers. And I hate when MCs act like their problems are mine. I handle mine, handle yours, card. You don't want a problem with that. Chip in a problem for time, could end up in a problem for trying. No problem with rhymes. Oh my God, what's your problem? You are not shooting scams. Gun talk, that's not a problem. I'll use this pen right to you like shoot me Dan. Niggas are black.
I will use my pen and show you, brother. I will use my pen and write here and say, shoot me then. So if I gun talk, you bring your son, no bother with it. Cause my pen will tell you something different. So my pen, pussy, me use my pen and say, yo, shoot me then. And that the man I tell you, brother.
Gal, I swear these niggas be cuffing. Got gal on my line, but I wife this mic cause she won't divorce me for nothing. Man send online for 3 minutes, think you shower.
You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? The man said him wife him mic. Him talk a phone. Him wife him talk a phone. Cause these girls ain't loyal, brother. You know that?
Right to you like shoot me Dan. Niggas are bluffing. Gal, I swear these niggas be cuffing. Got gal on my line, but I wife this mic cause she won't divorce me for nothing. Man send online for 3 minutes, think you shower. Where you never been on a set for an hour. Reveal the cowards, show man powers. I've did my 10,000 hours.
When we walk in, man's like, look how they're stuttering. Look how they if and but. Know who it is when he hear. Look how we got them scared.
This tune is fire now.
Still caving a man, now combo and MC up.
100 hit combo, that's what I'm on, but I'm in my condo. Jump on your song and I'll make your song blow. I'm the head honcho, so far ahead, the scene just caught up.
Back up! You see this is jumping a while ago? What's the 100 hit combo? The Malaysia Bomber! Him never said the second part, but you know. 100 hit combo, brother.
Man still caving a man, now combo and MC up.
100 hit combo, that's what I'm on, but I'm in my condo. Jump on your song and I'll make your song blow. I'm the head honcho, so far ahead, the scene just caught up. They're looking at me like, what have you done? No, stop playing dumb, you know what I've done. I cannot be sunned. How dare you talk like I ain't second to none? Go wash out your tongue. These dickheads talk like they invented the gun and had me on the run. Now they're all on the internet, sitting in interviews, running their guns, and they're saying they come to the manor and spun. But these people thinking that I hid in my mum's like I'm really a victim and I ain't a warrior, all on my ones. Can't believe how this pussy is talking, I'm stunned. I ain't sitting there crying, I'm counting my funds. It ain't even worth wasting the air in my lungs at this point. It's been how many years and these man are still bums. It's been how many years and they're still getting crumbs. Tell me why, would I need a blind? Don't even apply, you ain't even the guy. You're the guy going shop for the guy standing next to the guy. You were overly quiet and shy, could never.
Ooh, no man, no, this is sorry. I forgot back.
100 hit combo, that's what I'm on, but I'm in my condo. Jump on your song and I'll make your song blow. I'm the head honcho, so far ahead, the scene just caught up. They're looking at me like, what have you done? No, stop playing dumb, you know what I've done. I cannot be sunned. How dare you talk like I ain't second to none? Go wash out your tongue. These dickheads talk like they invented the gun and had me on the run. Now they're all on the internet, sitting in interviews, running their guns, and they're saying they come to the manor and spun. But these people thinking that I hid in my mum's like I'm really a victim and I ain't a warrior, all on my ones. Can't believe how this pussy is talking, I'm stunned. I ain't sitting there crying, I'm counting my funds. It ain't even worth wasting the air in my lungs at this point. It's been how many years and these man are still bums. It's been how many years and they're still getting crumbs. Tell me why, would I need a blind? Don't even apply, you ain't even the guy. You're the guy going shop for the guy standing next to the guy. You were
Bomba, yeah, that's a while ago, dog. You are not the guy, brother. You're not even the guy. You're going shop for the guy that's standing next to the guy. Bomba cat. Yeah, that? Yeah. You are the guy standing. No, you are the guy going to shop for the guy that is standing next to the guy. You don't even have the privilege to go to shop for the guy himself. You have to go shop for the guy right hand man. He's talented, brother. He's fucking talented. This always do this, dog. No joke.
air in my lungs at this point. It's been how many years and these man are still bums. It's been how many years and they're still getting crumbs. Tell me why, would I need a blind? Don't even apply, you ain't even the guy. You're the guy going shop for the guy standing next to the guy. You were overly quiet and shy, could never try.
It's P double, all day long I make P double.
You're DWE no. You're one. Yo. Not yet. Not say that yet. Let's go.
I don't wanna cause no trouble, but if trouble comes, then I burst in bubbles. I don't wanna cause no trouble, but I'm ready for the dirt and P's got the shovel.
All the non-chocolates a while ago. Is that what I think it is?
Double, all day long I make P double. I don't wanna cause no trouble, but if trouble comes, then I burst in bubbles. I don't wanna cause.
For some reason, I thought this was Skepta. This is not Skepta, right? I'm not Skepta that.
No trouble, but I'm ready for the dirt and P's got the shovel. The way I give man a karate kick, you think man what the start double.
The G and karate man, that's right. Yeah, let me focus on the lyrics a bit.
I don't wanna cause no trouble, but if trouble comes, then I burst in bubbles. I don't wanna cause no trouble, but I'm ready for the dirt and P's got the shovel. The way I give man a karate kick, you think man what the start double. Look, somebody tell this geezer, or I'ma get cold like freezer. Send for my younger, send for the squeezer. You get not talking a pizza. Make a man give me the pin to the visa. Take a trip with the visa, Ibiza. Chilling out on the beach, smoking the reefer. In the penthouse, feet up with the FIFA. You're not a bad man, you're just a thief. You're not smart, you're just a cheater. Things here cold to the turn on the eater. All my man, them can't wait to meet ya. If man don't give me my P, then the 9mm will come to greet ya. Make man live underground with creature. Then I'm off with a sexy senorita.
When we walk in, man's like, look how they're stuttering. Look how they if and but. Know who it is when he hear. Look how we got them scared. Old school man still caving a man, now combo and MC up. When we walk in, man's like, look how they're stuttering. Look how they if and but. Know who it is when he hear. Look how we got them scared. Old school man still caving a man, now combo and MC up.
check out something. So the in-sync first. And the in-sync after. Okay. Yo! Guys. Want you to tell me which verse for you was the hardest? Which verse, who went in the hardest for you? I can't choose myself. I can't choose. I cannot choose one of the 24 bars them who go in the hardest, brother. Cause all of them go hard, brother. All of them sick. We need this, brother. Let me just say this. We needed this. The UK grime scene needed this, brother. We needed this. So guys, if we can drop some more of them songs, brother, the grime scene is back up and running again. Not like it gone anywhere. It's still here. But it's too quiet, dog. I'm gonna live up on yourself again and forward back. Step out again, brother. No step out again. Don't get too rich and comfortable, brother. Your fans them want to hear them type of tune, brother. Them type of collab, your dog. The man them want to hear them, G. So don't get too quiet, dog. Step out, brother. Do some collab big like this and bigger than this sometime, too, brother. Yo, this is fire, dog. I love this, brother. I love this. Me love this. Me love this. Me enjoy this more than any drill track. Me enjoy this more than any drill. No joke. No joke. This body of fuck. Me love this. Guys, if you enjoy the video, I want to see more. Please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. And new subscribers. Me soon, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Me love you, man. Me love you, man. Me love you. Thanks for the support. You hear that? Yo, every artist another one. Big up on the bumbuckler itself, yeah. Yo, I'm out, dog. This too sick. This needs to go to hospital, man. Ambulance!